Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a text behind an object effect. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Make sure you have imported or opened the image you want in the effect. First, take the text tool and type the preferred text. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Next, let's transform the text. Press Ctrl and T. Follow the steps and watch the video until the end. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. Now our effect is done perfectly. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and got something useful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in another interesting tutorial.